All right, so in case you missed it yesterday, we are favoring lower prices for the Nasdaq. Huge new day opening gap. Can we gap down, low, sell side here, and the swing low on the daily chart? This candle's close and this candle's open. There's a gap right there. That's a new day opening gap. So that could be used as potential resistance to send price lower. We have a high, low, and a higher high. So this down close candle here is your bearish breaker. I'm watching that if we do work our way into a premium at 10 o'clock. I'm watching this candle here and it's overlapping with this fair value gap. So be mindful of this right here and see what the dollar is doing. I sent this yesterday in the Discord. I said I wanted to see this fair value gap act as support. These two up close candles here is one bullish breaker, low, high, lower, low. So I'm watching the entire range of these two up close candles. I want to see if that can support price for dollar. S&P pretty much looks the same. Dow really pushing lower, clearly bearish. Just waiting on displacement to the downside. Not interested in anything long. This Nasdaq rally I'm seeing as suspect, just a run on buy side. And if you remember on the 15-minute, I said to watch this candle here in case we worked our way into a premium. So if we can reach this, I'm watching to see if that can send price lower. On your hourly chart, we have a fair value gap, bearish breaker. So that's two premium arrays that can send price lower. So I'm not trusting anything long as of yet. So we're getting some displacement, which is what I wanted to see, but I want us to get beneath this low. And then I'll look for possible shorts. Nasdaq breaking lower, S&P breaking lower, and Dow was looking weak from the beginning. If we leave a fair value gap here, I'll look to go short. I'm trading this first fair value gap as a breakaway gap, so I don't expect price to trade here. So I'm looking to get an entry inside of this one here. So this fair value gap I'm using as my entry. And this will be a quick scalp targeting that new day opening gap because that could be treated as support and cause a retracement. Normally I'll aim for a sell side underneath this low or underneath this low. But since we have this new day opening gap before reaching that sell side, that's my next draw. Let's see if I get filled here. I missed it by like just a tick. If we tap back into that, I'll go ahead and short it just so I don't miss the potential move. These up close candles here, I'm treating that as a bearish order block since I missed this entry. So there. And then I'll go ahead and aim for sell side. I missed that entry by like a tick. I didn't get filled, but it's no big deal. And my original target would have been this new day opening gap, but since I didn't get that, I have to aim for a little bit lower, which is the sell side resting below here. And this will be my one trade for the day. It's a nice short. We were looking for shorts all morning. I really want to close at that new day opening gap if we trade into it, but it's not enough range for profit taking. Order block, fair value gap. Last up close candle, bearish order block. Prefer to see some displacement. This fair value gap here, don't want to see that act as support. I want to see us quickly get through that. If we take out this low, my stop loss is going to be moved to break even. So I could take off my risk. And I'm actually going to move it to break even right now because this up close candle, I'm treating that as a potential bearish order block. I want to see that act as resistance. So no risk in this trade. For bearish order flow, you want to see up close candles act as resistance. So my stop loss is above the body of that up close candle. I want to see some price lower. That's the order block I mentioned. You can see us trading into it there, respecting mean threshold of that. And if I had two contracts on, I really would take a partial at this new day opening gap. But I only have one contract on, so notice where the bodies are stopping right at the opening price. But the fact that we're taking too long to take out this low, another reason why I removed my risk. I'm still in it. I'm closing at this new day opening gap. If we trade into it, that was my initial profit objective. It's not a large range, but it's over 100 ticks, and that's it. So back-to-back winning trades. Um, yeah, that's just what we do. So you're out 2%. Good wins, good wins. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe. If you're still trading, best of luck to you. If you're trading the PM session, best of luck to you. Message me if you need anything. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time at 9:30. All right, peace.